Hi, everybody. This is the park. The park. I am at the park. The forest. The forest. Wow, I see so many trees. The beach. The beach. This is the beach. The waterfall. The waterfall. I can see 2 trees at the waterfall. The sea. I like the sea. The lake. I can swim at the lake. The lake. The mountain. The mountain. I am at the mountain. The river. The river. Hank is at the river. Sam is at the river. The hill. The hill. I can see flowers at the hill. Okay, here is your listening homework. Are you ready, everybody? Let's go. Please listen, draw, and write. Number 1 is you. Where are you? I am at the beach. I am at the beach. Write beach and draw beach. Number 2, my mother. Where is your mother? She is at the park. She is at the park. Number 3, my father. My father. Where is your father? He is at the waterfall. He is at the waterfall. Number 4, my brother. My brother. Where is your brother? He is at the river. He is at the river. Number 5, my sister. My sister. Where is your sister? She is at the mountain. She is at the mountain. Number 6, my grandfather. My grandfather. Where is your grandfather? He is at the lake. He is at the lake. Goodbye, everybody.